Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Facebook not working. So first of all, check that your Facebook app is updated to the latest version or not. For that, open Play Store on your mobile phone, tap on search in the bottom and search here Facebook update. Then tap on Facebook. Here you will see the update option if your Facebook app is not updated to the latest version. So first update your Facebook app. Second thing you have to do is to check your internet connection. If you are on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, and if you are on mobile data, switch to the Wi-Fi. Third thing you have to do is to restart your phone, then open the Facebook application and your Facebook application will work. If your Facebook is still not working, then close your Facebook application and tap and hold on your Facebook application. Here you will see app info option, tap on it. Here you will see storage and cache option, tap on it, and in the bottom you will see two options, clear cache and clear storage. First clear cache, then clear storage, and your Facebook application will start working. If applying all these methods your Facebook is still not working, then tap and hold on Facebook application and simply tap on uninstall. Your Facebook application will be uninstalled, then open Play Store to reinstall the Facebook application. So simply search here Facebook and reinstall the app. And these are the simple steps to fix Facebook not working. I hope the video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.